Why can BLEU give a good score to bad? By the end, you will see BLEU judge two AI answers. One answer says the right meaning using different words. The other copies words from the reference but says the idea badly. You may choose the copied answer. That is the problem, we need to recognize it. BLEU stands for Bilingual Evaluation Understudy. It was first made for machine translation. It compares an AI answer with one or more correct answers. It mainly asks how many word patterns are the same. First, BLEU breaks the text into small word groups called engrams. For example, a red car has a single word and a two word groups. BLEU checks how many of those group match the reference answer. But word matching can be always be tricked. A bad model could repeat the same word again and again. So BLEU uses modified precision. That means it only gives credit for a word or a phrase as many times as it happens in the reference. Repeating words does not give unlimited points here. You also uses a brevity penalty. This stops very short answers from scoring too high. Let's take an example. Tiny answer might match some words perfectly but still miss most of the meaning. That penalty pushes short answers down. So BLEU is not really checking understanding, it is checking word overlap. It looks at matching one word, two word and three word and four word patterns. The score can also change depending on tokenization, which means how the text is split into pieces. Now imagine a translation test. For a reference, the doctor here he was late. Candidate A, the physician, arrived late. This keeps the meaning but uses different words. BLEU may give it a lower score. And the candidate B, the doctor, was late. This sounds worse, but it copies more words from the reference. BLEU may give it a better score. And here we can clearly know this is a trap. BLEU can reward echoes instead of the meaning. Here is an important lesson we should learn. BLEU rewards copied patterns, not real understanding. This does not make BLEU useless. It is still good for quick checks and regression testing. But it should not be the final judge. Humans still need to judge meaning, truth, usefulness, and also the reasoning. You count echoes, not the understanding.